Taurus. Okay. We are going to see a career reading for you for the month of June. Okay. If you don't have any idea what is tarot is about, I do have a link in the description box. You can go and check it out. And if you want to book a private or personal reading with me, the number is again there in the description box. That's my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me, and the personal readings are chargeable. And this is going to be the general reading for the people of Taurus. If it resonates, please take what it resonates. If not, please skip the video. Okay, because it's going to be the general reading. It may or may not resonate with you. Okay, let's see. I'm going to do only the career reading. Okay. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do subscribe. Taurus, career reading June 2020. Career reading June 2020. Taurus, zodiac sign, Taurus. 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 Career reading June 2021. Zodiac sign, Taurus. Career reading June 2021. Show me the cards which I need to see. Show me the cards which I need to see. What's the advice? What's a challenge? What's a challenge for the people? What's the biggest challenge? It's going to be in the month of June. In a career for the people of Taurus. The challenge is going to be the King of Cups. Okay, maybe you will get emotionally withdrawn from your job or from your business and whatever you are doing. The cards which I have got is High Priestess, the Fool, and the Three of Pentacles, and the Nine of Wands. Okay, some people would get into the new job or something. Okay, some people yes, okay. Regarding your work, some people would be traveling. Regarding your work or something, you're going to take up a new journey, new adventurous, and it's going to be a little bit risky, but at the same time, it's worth taking the risk. Okay. Uh, Let me clarify your cards. Okay. High Priestess. Why the High Priestess is here? Sorry, why the King of Cups is here? First, எதுக்கு இந்த King of Cups வந்திருக்கு? Why is the King of Cups is here? Let's clarify for that. It's going to be emotionally something regarding your emotions in your work. Let's clarify that. Why the King of Cups is here? Clarify with the two cards. Why the King of Cups is here as a challenge? Clarify with the two cards. As I told you, right, you are going to get emotionally withdrawn from your work or career, because I have got Four of Cups and the Page of Wands. Four of Cups and the Page of Wands. Page of Wands, it's going to be, at the same time, you will have ideas, everything in your mind, or you will be looking out. You will have all the ideas in your mind, you will have everything in your mind, but you don't know how to implement it. For some of the people, or for some of the people, you don't know what to do next. You are emotionally withdrawn from it. You are emotionally totally withdrawn from your it is going to be like this in the month of June. It's going to be like this in the month of June. This is going to be a challenge. This is completely going to be a challenge. You will be having a hell lot of work in front of you, but some of the people would be so bored in your work. Some of the people, you will be thinking about something else, and you are not so happy about what you have in front of you. what you've been experiencing, what you have blessed in your life so far in your career, you will be like, um, you are not going to happy about it, and you are just thinking about, I haven't received that, I haven't got an opportunity to get that stuff, why is that so? But you are not so blessed and happy, and you are so not so gratitude about what you have right now. Your emotions are somewhere else, physically present, mentally absent. Okay. Why the high priestess is here? Why the high priestess is here? Why the high priestess is here? Find me with the two cards. Why the high priestess is here? Why the fool is here? Why the fool is here? Okay, as I have told you, right? I already told it. It's going to be like, high priestess and the fool. Though you are going to get emotionally withdrawn from whatever is happening in the month of June, the success rate is very high. The success rate in your career is very high. At the same time, you'll be experiencing a lot of disagreements, lot of what do I say, lot of disappointments. It's going to be on the way. At the same time, you will win the prosperity, happiness, the new place, for the people who are going to join in the new place. Again, the into the new place will give you the happiness, success, everything is there. At the same time, people will not be so happy about you also in your workplace. People will not be so happy around. Be careful about the people who you are surrounded with. I'm just warning you. Be careful about the people whom you are surrounded with. And whatever the struggle comes, whatever the struggles or whatever the hurdles you're going to, it's definitely on the way, and you will definitely win the struggles. Okay. Three of Pentacles. I say a lot of teamwork here, a lot of hard work. Some people would be, if you're doing business or something, I can see you would be engaging a new partner in your business. I could sense that. Why is the Three of Pentacles? You say clarified with the two cards. Why is the Three of Pentacles? You say clarified with the two cards. Cards are just flying. Why the Three of Pentacles is here? You need to change the perspective in your workplace, in your workplace and in your uh, or in your business or something. You need to let go of the past which is haunting you in your mind regarding your work. Something is haunting you very worst. If not so, you cannot able to work along with your team or along with your new partner in your business. Okay, what I'm suggesting you is, whatever it is happening, okay, please let go of the past. Anything which has uh, happened in your past right now, or if you want to take a journey or take a trip, uh, okay, I could see a journey here, or I could see a travel here also, because I'm getting Six of Wands and the Fool is also here. Most people would be traveling to some other place regarding the work or something, okay, to join with the new people, or to join with the new company, or transfer or something. And for some of the people, I would suggest you to let go of the past, whatever happened in your career. have new perspective. Whatever do you see, do not see from the one, I mean, direct perspective. I just wanted to see from the all perspectives. Okay. Why the nine of wands is here? Why the nine of wands is here? Show me with the two clarification cards. Okay. I see disappointments in your career. You, some people, yes, I do see a success, I do see everything, but at the same time, uh, என்ன சொல்றது, you are not so happy with whatever you do have in your one second. I do see a major problem with the people, some people are very dominant. Some people is very, very dominant around you in your workplace. Okay, you've been fighting with them or you have been defending yourself with the people for such a long time, I think so. I think you're so much frustrated. Some people are so much frustrated with that. That is why I think you're emotionally withdrawn. You feel like, I don't want this, I want to go away. I can't deal with this people because lot of politics is here. Yes, I'm getting lot of gains at the same time. I could see I want to move away from this place because when I got the six of swords, eight of cups, most of the people want to move away and you have to join in some other company or some other branches or somewhere else you want to go. Okay, you want to travel or you want to move away from the past and you have to get into this new journey. Okay, you are tired of fighting, you are tired of fighting with anything it could be. It's not serving you well because of அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு reasons கூட வந்து இருக்கலாம். What's a piece of advice for the people of Taurus? Piece of advice for the people of Taurus. Advice, one card advice please. Okay, six of pentacles, share your work properly, don't allow people to take advantage of your work or um yeah, this is what I would say, like, don't allow people to take advantage in your workplace, in your job or in your business or something. Share everything equally. The word coming in my mind is equality. Whatever you do, uh, yes, equality is just running in my mind. Do the proper fairness, do the proper balance in your workplace. Don't do overwork, don't do less work at the same time, do the proper work. And this is what it is, the card is advising you for the people of Taurus. Thank you so much. Let's spread on Leela.